Yes, and I'm glad that you all joined our webinar. So today we will speak about how we can automate your bookkeeping practice, especially in view of data entry. And first of all, let me introduce myself. Yes, and my name is Kirill Bondarenko. Shortly, you can call me Kirill Bond, not James, but surely I can be your secret agent, yes, who helps with accounting automation. And actually, I'm Senior Business Development Manager at Entera. Yes, and I'm experienced in the accounting and bookkeeping industry. I have worked with 500 plus customers around the world, and they love me, especially their families. Yes, because I saved 10,000 hours for them. So, Intera is an IT company with a head office in Dubai. So, we are software developers, and we focused on the accounting industry, and our mission is to do accounting and bookkeeping business processes, and not only business processes but environment in general, better and safer. So let's speak about agenda. uh, I think today we will start with challenges, yes, and the typical problems. Then I will tell you about our solution. After that, we will switch to online demo, and you will see how it works in action. I will see some features for you, and some cases, and also you will see our integrations with accounting softwares. And surely we will discuss pricing, and in the end I will be happy to answer your questions during the Q&A sections. Okay, so uh, before we will start, also I would like to ask you a few questions, yes, about you and your company. So you can write your answers in chat, and please do it. I think I will wait about a minute, yes, and thank you in advance for this. It will be very helpful for me. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Emiliano. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Mukul. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for sharing. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go. Yep. Uh, okay. So, firstly, I have to say we did comprehensive research, yes, for document processing for companies in India, to define which challenges or issues they have. So, and we collected very carefully the feedback from our clients, surely. And definitely, I can definitely should say um, the main headache for bookkeepers is the data entry process and related activities. Just imagine they work sometimes with 100 or even 1,000 documents per month. So from different sources, in different formats, it can be PDF documents, images. Sometimes the customers share it to the email, to the WhatsApp, any communication channel, and this is the usual reason for delays, mistakes, and the shortage of time to do work on time. Yep. And at the same time, the problems experienced by the accountant lead to problems that are already visible to the top management of the company. And the busier and bookkeeper is, the less client they can serve, and more mistakes will be made. Yeah, very, very logically. Yes, and just imagine if we can speed up the process of data entry, each accountant will be able to work with 50 clients instead of 10 clients. As a result, your business will be growing. Yeah, this is the main idea. And speaking about the main challenges which we found, I should mention following: time consuming. So routine work with data entry, which takes too much time. On average, accountant spends at least 45 days per year to process incoming documents, to collect documents, to input, validate all of this information, to check the data, uh, and input all of this to ERP or accounting software. As a result, they do routine work instead of spending time for other business needs. Yes, and we know time is money. Okay, also the next challenge is accuracy. Yep, because more than 80% of companies reported about errors, and usually it's connected with manual data entry. Yes, and it could be error during information input, or also it can be error in the original incoming document itself. So as a result, the team needs time to get deal with it, to investigate these cases. Okay, and honestly, I don't think an accountant or manager would refuse to do document processing faster and more accurately. So we believe uh, this is an opportunity to try new technology. Yes, and this is the reason why we propose our solution. And Intera was designed especially to solve this problem. Yep. And so let's switch finally to technical part. Yes, of our solution. Yes, and sorry of my speech. Yep. And let's speak about Intera, yes, and what we propose. So we propose a cloud service based on AI and OSR technology for automated data entry. So on this slide, you can see the diagram with relevant steps. So the first step, uploading documents to Intera from different sources. The second step, Intera capture the data, recognize it, classify each document, and do multiple validation to check correctness of data. Also, Intera is synchronized with your accounting software and provides matching for items, categories, or ledgers, for type of transactions, for name of suppliers. And the final step, Intera provides seamless integration with your accounting software. So your data will be transferred to your accounting software. And also, it's important to underline that Intera provides mass uploading. You don't need to work with documents one by one. Okay, and let's speak about each step in details. So this is the first step, uploading documents to Intera. It can be done by three ways: email, web user interface, to the smartphone. You just need to take a picture and send it to Intera service. And also, surely Intera can be integrated with any electronic document interchange system. And also, I would like to mention that it works with paper documents. Yes, you just need to take a stack of your documents, scan all of these in scanner all at once, then upload the scan file, which includes all your documents, to Intera user interface. Yes, and then the system will sort out the documents itself. So you will see each document in UI and in your accounting software. So you don't need to waste your time and upload each document separately. So you can do it all at once. Very, very easy. Okay, so the next step includes following processes. Um, Intera captures the data. Yes, recognize it, classify each document. Yes, and Intera do validation and multiple checks. So Intera will check how each item corresponds with total amount. Intera will check the name of supplier, many others. So because we focus on accuracy, and we provide unique recognition accuracy 98%. So how we do it? We use not just common OCR technology, but we combined OCR technology and additional AI engine to increase the quality of recognition. So this fact allows us to provide uh, mass uploading and mass transferring to your accounting software. Because just imagine, if you need to check each document, surely it's a little bit difficult to speak about mass uploading. Yeah, but when you trust the service, when you see it works perfect, reliable, so in such case, you can upload a lot of documents, 100 documents, yes, at once. Okay, also Intera is synchronized with your accounting software and provides matching for items, categories or ledgers, type of transactions, and name of suppliers. Okay, and the third step and final step, Intera provides seamless integration with your accounting software like QuickBooks, Zoho Books, and other, and Tally coming soon. Yes, very soon. And also Intera has our own API. So, and our technical team is always ready to support you if you need to integrate a third-party app with Intera. And please pay your attention that Intera allows not only to transfer data from invoice, but also Intera do matching with your categories or ledgers. I think I mentioned it a couple of times, but you know it's really very important, and I would like to underline this. So Intera do matching with your categories or ledgers, with type of transactions, your database of items, and the list of suppliers, surely. And you will get an absolutely prepared invoice or bill or voucher if we speak about tally or expense in your accounting software, so you don't need to modify it manually. So this is the main idea. Okay, so as a result, yes, you can say goodbye to manual data entry, and we believe this is the main goal of Intera. Surely I would like to tell you about type of documents. Yes, and above all, Intera works with invoices. It can be sales invoices, purchase invoices, any tax invoices, any simplified format of invoices. If you have invoice, just upload it to Intera, and you can be sure that Intera will do this work very well. So the same for purchase orders, receipts, quotations, and bank statements coming soon. We know it's very important for reconciliation part of work, so we will definitely implement it soon. We have it in our roadmap. Okay, and also before we will switch to demo, I would like to tell you about one feature. So this is a digital archive. So we keep searchable digital archive for users. Yes, and no need to spend time, you know, for searching for documents. Yes, and your document never will be lost, and you can search it by different parameters, and it takes just a second. Okay, so I think it's time to switch to the demo. Yes, and I will show you how it works. Just a second. Let me switch to another screen, and you will see. Okay. So, do you see my web user interface? Yes, you can send me the message. So I think so. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Great. Thank you. Okay. Yes, I see you. I see you sent some questions. Yes. So speaking about the video recording of webinar, surely we will share it with you later. Okay. So let's speak about the demo. Yes. So let's start from the beginning. First of all, right now you see a web user interface of Intera, and you see the menu with 5 folders. So you can create different number of folders. Yes, as you wish. What is the main reason to create folders? Two reasons. The first reason, integration. So we can connect particular folder with particular accounting software or with customer under your account in particular accounting software. So it means that you can work with Intera with different accounting softwares and different customers from one Intera account, from one point. Okay, the second reason, you can share access for each folder, because you know each folder also has functionality like a cloud storage for documents for particular customer. Yes, and it's very easy to do it. You just need to click invite users. Yes, and you see there is email. Yes, you can specify email and choose the folder, for example, like this, or couple of folders. Just a second. Yeah. Okay, and click send invitation. So, and you can share this access with your external team, or maybe with your customer or your supplier. So after that, your supplier will receive the login and password, and he will be able to upload documents directly to Intera. But surely this is just option. At the same time, you can always upload it manually or to the email. Okay, so let's open one of the folder. So right now you see the list of the documents. Yes, and there are a lot of different parameters for each document. So for example, different statuses, customer name, supplier name, document type, document number, document date, and so on. Surely you can manage it. Yes, you can hide some information, you can show some information. It's up to you. And let's upload it something new. Yes, and we will see how it works. Okay, so it's mentioned by me previously, we can do it by email. So just imagine the situation. Your supplier sent to you email with attachment with invoices. So in such case, you just need to forward this email and Intera will take it in work automatically. So right now, I will show you how it works through the web user interface. So we just need to click upload documents. Then we need select documents. Okay, for example, I don't know, let's take this first one. Okay, so after this, we just need to click send for recognition. So right now, you see the loading process. Yes, and Intera is counting the pages. Yes, because some of the documents includes not only one pages, but 10 pages, 20 pages. Okay, so it's completed. Let's open this. So each new document highlighted by light green color. So, and you see, we have one new customer name Eventica, supplier the Rocket Science Group. Okay, so let's check it. Open it. And right now you see the result of recognition. And also I can click show scan. And on the right side, you see the original document. Yes. By the way, very good sample. So you see, uh, this is just a picture. Yes. And what happened? Somebody, yes, just took a picture by smartphone and sent it directly to Intera. Yes, very, very typical case. Yes, and I think it shows the capability how Intera can work, not only with clear picture, with scanned documents, yes, but also with images when you know the information on the document not so clear. But at the same time, Intera provides the highest quality of recognition. Okay, so and on the left side, you see result of recognition. So at the top of the screen, there is a general information from the head of the document. Yes, this is document number, document date, customer name, supplier name. So yes, I think everything is correct. Customer name Eventica, supplier name Rocket Science Group. Okay, looks good. So also please pay your attention. Below you see information about line items, and it's very important step because Intera can do it very well. So, and we recognize line items regardless of type of invoices. Yes, if you have invoices, you can upload it to Intera and you can be sure Intera will recognize, yes, all line items, not only general information. So you see there are two positions, yes, two line items. So, and okay, standard plan and additional contact blocks. So Intel recognize all of these with name of items, with units, quantity, prices per item, amount per item, and so on. Also Intel recognize watt, yes, and total watt amount and watt rate if there is information about this, and surely total amount. Okay, so it looks correct. Yes, and let's return to main menu. Let's upload in something more. Okay, for example, let's upload in this document. Okay. Okay, so by the way, right now I'm uploading it one by one, just to show you result quickly. But at the same time, you can upload it as a scope of documents. Yes, you can select 100 documents at once. Yes, and upload it. No any issue with it. Okay, so this is the document from Enoch Retail LLC. This is supplier. Let's open it. I like this sample, yes, because it's very remarkable. So what we see. This is simplified format of tax invoice. Yes, and this is just picture, and this is very typical case. Yes, just imagine the driver uh, visit gas station, visit Enoch store. So then he took a picture and shared it with Intera directly from the smartphone. So very easily, and Intera works with it very well. So you see, Entero recognized all details about line items with what rate, with what amount, with all of them. Surely there is no information about customer name, but it's not a magic. This is simplified format of tax invoice, and there is no information about this on the invoice body. So in such case, if you need to input customer name, you just need to click on this and do it manually. Okay, so let's return to main menu and upload more documents. Okay, for example, this one and this one. Okay, set for recognition. I would like to upload some more documents, because the next step I will show you how we can transfer data to accounting software. So I think it was a very important step. Okay, and right now you see I uploaded a couple of documents, yes, at once. Okay, and also let me upload it something else, for example, this document. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's done. Okay, one more document is done. Okay, so let's check it. So we see this is another type of invoice. Okay, from GPS. Yes, the customer name MTACC. So looks good. So all items were recognized. Okay, and also surely Intera recognize Tyrian number, and Intera recognize currency automatically, surely. So I just briefly check if everything is okay. Yes, everything is correct. Okay, great. Okay, so let me upload it something more. For example, maybe this one. Yeah, I think it's very remarkable, and I would like to show you. Okay, so what is the next step? So yeah, we I see. I think you see. Yes, we recognize the documents very well. Yes, and we believe that it's suitable absolutely for mass uploading. Yes, and Intera provides the highest accuracy. Yes, but the next step, this is the most important step. Yes, because we should transfer data to accounting software. Yes, and how we can do it? First of all, there is a button connect at the top of the screen. Yes, and let's check it. So right now you see I have an application in this section, QuickBooks and Zoho Books. So and right now this folder connected with my Zoho Books. Yes, and I will show you how it works with Zoho. Okay. Oh, by the way, we have one more document. recognized. Okay, let's check it. Oh, very good sample. So you see, even if you have poor quality of documents, Intera anyway recognized all of this. Another one, simplified format of tax invoice. Yes, and you see, so all details is here. Total amount is correct. Total what amount is correct. So 2 items. Perfect. Okay. So to transfer data to accounting software, what we need to do. First of all, let me check my Zoho. Okay, so I will transfer documents from Intera to Zoho in expenses section and in bills sections. So I think you see there is no any documents which we previously uploaded to Intera. Okay, so what we need? We just need to select one documents or couple of documents. Yes, and click export to external system. So right now you see the matching menu. Yes, and this is very important step because surely we can transfer data how it is, but we understand that the beneficial things for our customers when we can transfer data and also when we can specify the information about ledgers, information about type of transactions and so on. So I think it's necessary. This is mandatory, especially when we speak about type of transactions. Yes, because we should transfer data in proper way. So first of all, we can choose bill or expense. For example, I don't know, let's choose bill. Yep. And then we can choose the category. So you see, this is the list of category. And you know, very important moment. Right now, Intera connected with my Zoho books. And you see these options not from Intera. This is from accounting software. Okay, so let's choose cost of goods sold, for example. Okay, so and that's all. Yes, surely also you can click on the list of supplier and you see also there is a similarity rate for each of supplier, and just imagine if there is some mistakes in the name of supplier, you can always check it very easily. Yes, and choose another option. Or if this is the new supplier, you can easily create it automatically. Just need to click create company from recognized. Yes, and Intera will create the new company in your Zoho books. Okay, so right now everything is correct and just need to click create document. Okay, so you see the status was changed. Now this is pending. Usually it takes just a second, maybe 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Let's refresh the page and then we will check the Zoho. Okay, so you see the status was changed again, uploaded. Yes, and also there is a direct link. Yes, you see the word bill, and it's connected with direct link to Zoho. I just need to click on this, and we will see our invoice as a bill in Zoho. So yeah, that's it. So this is our invoice. Yes, from Zoho. Oh, sorry, from Intera. Yes, from Rocket Science Group. Yes, and you see all details are here. So the document number, dates, all line items, total amount. So currency. So you see this is USD. No any VAT. Yes, and it's correct. No any VAT on the initial document. And surely we automatically attached original document. Yes, let's click on it and we will check. Okay, yeah, that's it. This is our document. Okay, and let's check the category. Yes, because I mentioned some category. Let's click edit and we will check. Yes, you see this is category cost of goods sold, which we specified with you previously. So everything is correct. Okay, so let's return to Intera. For example, if I would like to transfer data about a couple of documents, surely we can do it. Let's select. By the way, we can select all of them. You know, this is the most efficient way. If we speak about the production, so how it works, yes, surely you don't need to do it one by one. If you wish, you can do it, but usually our users works with Intera like a mass uploading and mass transferring way. So upload a lot of documents at once, then select all of them, briefly have a look, yes, and transfer it to accounting software. For example, let's do it with two documents. So export to external system. Okay, so this is the two documents. So let's I don't know, let's transfer it to expense sections. Okay, so this is the first document. Also, we should choose the expense. I don't know, for example, petty cash. The category. Okay, 81. Okay, the second. So the same category. Okay, consultant expenses. And surely we need to choose the options, yes, for payment. Okay, let's do it petty cash. So that's all, very briefly. And surely at the next steps we can save your choice, yes, and the next step Intera will recommend you the most suitable options automatically, yes. And I think even you upload and transfer hundreds documents, it will take very less time. Okay, just need to click create documents. Okay. So we see the status was changed. Now this is pending, pending. Let's refresh it. Yeah, uploaded, uploaded. We transferred two documents at once as expense to Zoho Books. So, and let's check it. Okay, click on this and we will see. Okay, this is the first document. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, this is our document from GPS. Okay. So we see all details. Yes, all line items is here. Okay. So let me check once again. Yes, yes, it looks correct. So currency is correct, total amount is correct, line items is correct. So very good. Okay, let's click edit and choose the uh, account. Yes, account or category is correct. Automobile expense, which we chose with you previously. Okay, perfect. Let's check another one. So another one was from Enoch Retail LLC. Okay. Okay, so this is our uh, expense from Enoch. So petty cash, uh, tax rate, tax amount. Oh, by the way, I think we should do short change, a little change, yes, because you see, uh, I think we need to use tax inclusive, not exclusive. Okay, it's very easy to do it. Just tax inclusive, yes, and save. Yes, and now I think everything is correct. Yes, total amount, this 100. Okay. Yeah, this is our tax invoice from Enoch. Okay. Display journal. Yeah. So, oh, by the way, please pay attention to category. This is category which we chose with you previously. Yes, during the matching in Intera. So it's correct, VAT it's correct, total amount correct. So by the way, TRN number, all of this information are here, and no any mistakes. Okay, So, oh, another one. Just a second. This is another one sample. Oh, it's very easy. Surely with such samples, Intera works easily. Yes, because this is very clear picture. No any issue with it, surely, and everything is correct. Okay, so this is about integration. Also, I would like to show you how it works with QuickBooks. Yes, let's to transfer data to QuickBooks. It's very easy. Yes, we just need to change the folder. Okay, so this is my folder for QuickBooks. Let's check the connection. Yes, it's connected with QuickBooks Online. So great. Okay, and let's upload some documents. I don't know, maybe uh, this one, for example. Okay, or maybe one more else. I don't know. Let's upload it the same. For example, uh, where is it? Yeah, from Enoch. Yeah. Oh, it's already completed. Perfect. Yes. So you see, we uploaded the document from Slack Technology Limited. Oh, and from Enoch. Yes, I think it's already done. Yeah. Yes. Both documents were recognized. Okay, so let's open Slack Technology Limited. Show scan. Okay, everything is correct. Okay, but let's do this and Enoch. Okay, yeah. So we see this information. Yes, once again, I think everything is correct. And let's transfer data to QuickBooks Online. So let me check my QuickBooks Online. Okay, so I opened the section expenses. Yes, and let me check that there is no any information from Enoch. So briefly, I see there is no any invoices from Enoch. Okay, great. So let's choose Enoch. Yes, and export to external system. Okay, the bill category, I don't know, for example, cash and cash equivalents. Yes, and oh, by the way, if we need to use different categories, we for different items, you can do it easily. Yes, just to need to change the category for particular item. Okay, so and just need to click create documents. Okay, so the status is pending. So let's refresh it. Once again. Yes, you see the status uploaded. Yes, and let's click bill. And I think we will see the bill in my QuickBooks Online with all information. Yes, you see Intera transfer data about the supplier, about location, about the dates, bill number, so about the category, cash and cash equivalents, so about taxes, yes, about total amount, and also we automatically attached original document. Let's check it. Yeah, so this is our invoice. So this is how it works with accounting software. And also, I remember I mentioned that you can use Intera as cloud storage, yes, for your documents. And I would like to show you how it works. You just need to click show filter, and you see this is the smart filter with a lot of different parameters, and you can search your documents by a lot of different parameters, by all of them. Just imagine the situation when some third-party company, maybe customer, maybe authority, or some audit company requests you about some documents, and maybe you need to do some reconciliation work. So with Intera, your document never will be lost, and you can find it very quickly. Yes, for example, I remember the name of supplier. Yes, and sorry, day-to-day store, I would like to search the invoices from this supplier. Okay, click on this and just apply filter. Yes, very easily. This is my document. Yes, which I need to find. Okay, also I can select it and I can download it as original document because maybe it can be image. Yes, also I can download it as PDF, optimized PDF document, as archive. For example, if I also set the dates, yes, I and the supplier, I can uh, find the list of the documents with many documents from this supplier. Yes, and I can export it as archive with all documents at once. Yes, and surely I can export it in Excel format with all items or without items. So it's up to you. Okay, so, and oh yes, and surely we can check. Yes, open this. So show scan. Okay. By the way, it's very good sample. I like this sample because I think it's very remarkable. So you see the quality of this document is really poor. Yes, but at the same time, it has a lot of line items. So and Entera works with it very well. Just imagine if you need to input all of this manually, surely it will take time. I think sometimes 15 minutes, maybe 20. So, but with Entera, it's very easily. Yes, no any mistakes. So all information is correct. Yes, it's correct. Tax amount, bill amount. Great. Okay. And also I would like to tell you once again about integration because I understand you have a lot of questions about Tally, and surely you can be sure we do the same with Tally. So, and we are already finished the integration, but it was a little bit more complicated because the Tally, this is on-premise solution. Yes, and right now we just need to do fine tuning, and we will be happy to present it to you very soon in February. Okay, so let's return to our demo. Sorry, to our slides, to our presentation. Okay. I guess you have a lot of questions, yes, about some technical moments, yes, and I think I will finish presentation and then we will check all your questions. Okay, so also I would like to tell you about typical case study for Entera. Yes, and for example, I suggest to look at the one of our completed projects. Yes, it's a very remarkable project. This is BDO, a large international public accounting and advisory company. So since 2020 year, we processed more than 150,000 documents for BDO. So, and in the beginning, the client came to us with request to get the written manual work with incoming documents. Yes, and they wanted to increase the speed of the documents processing, and also very important task for them was classify the different documents automatically. So as a result, we improved speed of work with document in 8 times. Plus, we provide no human error separation, and we classified all incoming documents for customer and provide cost saving more than 3 times. So this is the real case study and very typical customer for us. And also, I would like to tell you why we believe that Intera can be suitable for you. So first of all, Intera are global company. Yes, and you can trust us. We are IT company and software development company. So we operate in more than 5,000 companies with Intera. Yes, and we have 5 years plus of successful experience. Yes, and total quantity of scanned pages is more than 18 millions. Yes, by present moment. So we processed 500,000 new pages per month. Yes, and surely we have successful projects within there from different section of market, from different region of market. Yes, we work very well with accounting company, with construction company, logistics company, trading company, and so on, in Europe, in UAE, in Saudi Arabia, in India. So I just wanted to underline that we propose full ready solution with successful history of implementation. And definitely, we can say that Intera is a stable and reliable partner and product. And also, I would like to highlight why we believe that Intera is efficient for our customers. So the first reason is fast. Our solution allows you to do routine document workflow in 10 times faster than usual manual approach. Next is accurate. Intera allows to avoid errors caused by human factor. Um, Next one, reliability. Yes, we have successful history of projects, as mentioned by me previously, and our reliability is proven by our customers. And the last one, flexibility. Yes, because this is cloud-based solution. Yes, which works using software as a service model, and it allows the customer to have a flexible approach to plan their work with documents. Yes, and without having the cost of implementation or maintenance or I don't know, or support. And it's very easy to start using Intera. So we believe that such combination of properties makes Intera to be very efficient to optimize routine work with documents. Okay, and also let's speak about the pricing. So as mentioned, we work using software as a service model. Yes, and we propose annual subscription. Yes, which includes four subscription plans. Yes, four options. So only one difference. Yes, this is the number of pages which included in each subscription. So you see there are Business Plus, 32,000, Business, Pro, and Basic for 4,000 pages per year. So speaking about functionality, this is absolutely the same. So unlimited number of users, unlimited clients of accountants and bookkeepers, seamless integration with accounting software, unlimited cloud storage, plus 3 months for free when your subscription will be expired. Surely line item instructions, and we, like a vendor, provides 3 lines of technical support, 24 hours, 7 days, with 15 minutes response time for any requests. Okay, and couple of words about the tally. Yes, I think I mentioned it sometime. Yes, and I would like to tell you, yes, once again, yes, that we focused on integration with accounting software. So this is our concept. Yes, how it works. We have Intera. Yes, and we provide the highest recognition for documents. But at the same time, we understand that we should connect it with a lot of accounting software, and we do it very well. And I think you already seen how it works. But our next our next accounting software, this is the tally. Yes, and as mentioned by me previously, the general integration is already done, and right now we just need to do some fine tuning, and in February it will be available for all our clients with functionality, yes, with matching, with all details, because also we focused on quality. Yes, and we try to provide the best service. Yes, and this is the reason why we propose to use the integration with all functionality which Inter can deliver. Okay. Oh, and by the way, if you want to have some maybe special offer, yes, as you see on the slide with the significant discount, yeah, this is just half price. So please contact us. Yes, and we will contact you. Yes, and discuss it. Okay, so also I would like to speak about the setting up. Yes, and it's very easy to start your subscription. Yes, it includes 3 steps. The first step, we agree the number of pages with you. Yes, and send the invoice to you and get in the payment. So the next step, setup. So we will register your entire account and support to set up the integration with your accounting software. But once again, it's very easy. It's out of the box solution. So usually, speaking about online solution like Zoho or QuickBooks Online and similar, it takes just a seconds. Yes, and speaking about Tally, a little bit more. But anyway, once again, this is out of the box solution. So you don't need to spend time, I mean hours or days to do integration. Yes, it takes just minutes. So, and the last step, you can start, yes, and enjoy. Yeah, you will work faster and more accurate with your documents. Okay, so in the end, I would like to tell you that surely it's easy to say than to do implementing some advanced changes. Yes, and based on general, I don't know, general experience, yes, uh, 94% of management focused on a routine daily workflow and cannot change it to get more progress. uh, but we believe, not you. Let's keep to be flexible. Let's keep to be open to progress, to do our business efficient, profitable, and surely our life more comfortable. Okay, and also I would like to tell you about certificate. So, first of all, thank you for your attention. Yes, and we prepare such special certificates that you participate in our webinar. So please share with us your contact information. Yes, your full name. Yes, and short email, and we will send it to you. And also, I would like to tell you about our workshop. We propose to all participants to register for individual workshop. Yes, and we will be happy to meet with you online and show how it works, including integration or and with your accounting software. And we will be happy to upload your samples of documents. Yes, and you can do it by yourself, or we can support you. It's up to you. Okay, so thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much for your attention. Yes, and it was my pleasure to hold this webinar for you. Yes, and now I think we have about 5 minutes for uh, questions and answers. Okay, just a second. Uh, I will I will check briefly. Yes, the chat. Yes, and we'll try to answer your questions. Okay. Okay, yes, very good questions. I see. So, the number of pages mentioned in the subscriptions plans. Okay, yes, this is pages per year. So, for basic subscription, you will have 4,000 pages per year. So, and surely this is our general price list. Yes, and in accordance with it, you will have 4,000 pages per year for basic subscription. Yes, and 32,000 for business plus subscription. But surely if you have more pages, I don't know, maybe you have 100,000 pages, surely we will be happy to calculate it for you. It's very easily. And for significant quantity, surely we can speak with you about some discount. Okay, so yes, I have one more questions about this from Emiliano. So for basic, yes, the number of pages 4,000, not per month, per year. Okay, what about invoices entered in non-English language? For now, we work with English, and I can explain you very easily. Yes, because as mentioned by me previously, we focused on accuracy. Yes, and this highest accuracy rate allows us to provide mass uploading way for our users. Yes, and right now it works perfect with English invoices. But speaking about in other languages, I can't say the same. But we have a plan, we have our roadmap. Yes, and it depends. Yes, and if we see this is the prospective market, surely we will add in other languages too. Uh, But for now, speaking about India, for example, or speaking about UAE, we have or some countries in Europe, so we works in English very well with them. And also very often their invoices have two languages. Yes, for example, the local language plus translation in English. So in such case, surely you can use our service too. Okay, is there any security issues by using Intera? So another one question from Emiliano. So no any issues. Yes, as mentioned by me previously, a lot of clients use our service, yes, around the world, and we propose online solution absolutely the same way like QuickBooks do it or Zoho do it. This is another online solution, yes, another application. Speaking about in view of security, yeah. But at the same time, I should mention that we use only certified cloud platform, so it's not our private cloud. Yes, we use, for example, Google Cloud, yes, Google servers. So and you can trust them. And speaking about your account, surely you will have your uh, password, your login, and only you will have access for this account. And surely we use secured protocols to change data between users and our platform in cloud. Okay, uh, we are posting multi-currency in Tally. How Intero recognize it? So very interesting question. I think I need to discuss it with my team because for now we recognize and transfer data about one currency. Yes, because usually customer has currency in the settings, yes, of software, for example, like we saw with you in Zoho or QuickBooks. But let's check it. Yes, we are, we always do our service better and better. Yes, and each month we provide the new release, yes, and the new functionality will be available for our users. But at the same time, you don't need to do nothing. You don't need to update something and so on. I just will inform you. So, uh, dear client, the new functionality is available for you. You can use it if you wish. Okay, so what else? Okay, so uploaded the same invoices twice. Now, will system detect duplicate uploaded? Yes, sure, but usually we do it during the matching stage. For example, sure, I can upload some documents couple of times to Intera and Intera will recognize it. But when you try to transfer this document to accounting software, Intera will inform you that this is duplicated information. Yes, and by default, Intera will not allow to upload it. But at the same time, there are some rules. Yes, for example, speaking about the bills, uh, this is mandatory. Yes, and we will not transfer this data. But speaking about expense, we see that sometimes the users needs to upload and transfer data about the same documents couple of times. So it can be, we can use some settings, yes, to manage it. Okay, what else? Can I get a recorded webinar? Yes, sure. Yes, sure. We will provide the link for you. Yes, after the webinar. Yes, and we will share it with you, and you can watch it again or share with your team. Surely. Okay, so what else? Bank statements entry, most important to us for entry. Yes, we understand it very well. And technically, there is no any issues with us to recognize these documents. Yeah, but at the same time, we should understand some logic. Yes, some business process, how we should provide this service because you need to work with bank statements. Yes, and I think yes, we have this in our roadmap, and we will provide it very soon. Yes, and I think in our nearest plans, in our nearest update. Okay, so is it possible to capture data from manual written documents. So you mean handwritten documents? Yep. Technically it's possible, but we should understand that Intera will recognize maybe 90% of documents, maybe 17% of documents. Yes, it depends on style of writing. Yes, and in such way, it's not possible to speak about some mass uploading, some high accuracy, and this is the reason why, for now, why we not support handwritten documents. Yes, because our concept that you can upload a lot of documents to us very quickly, we will recognize it and transfer it, yes, as a scope of documents. You don't need to check each document, but with handwritten documents you need to check each number. So we think that it doesn't make sense for you. Okay, so I'm using QuickBooks, Zero, and Zoho, so it's perfect. Yes, just please contact us, yes, and we will be happy to provide our service for you. And also, you can test our service by yourself, yes, and we have a trial period, so no any issues with it. Okay, is someone using Zoho Books? Okay, yes, sure. We know it. Okay, we use Tally Zero accounting. Okay, great. We are in accounting process. Okay, just let me check a couple of questions more. Mhm. Okay, so it seems that's all. Okay, can I recognize manual written documents? Okay, I already answered. So even if duplicate bills is uploaded after a week or so from the date of first upload. Okay, sorry, this is uh, there is a question before this statement, yeah, before this sentence. Will Intera detect duplicate? Oh yes, I already answered. Yes, yes, sure, but we uh, define duplication, the duplicated invoices at the matching stage. Yes, and when you click send it to accounting software, so you will see information about that it's not allowed. Okay, so uh, I see there is no other questions, and it seems I answered all of them. So please, if you have some more questions, please ask, and I will be happy to answer. Okay, I think that's all. Yes, and also I think it's time to finish our webinar. And once again, if you have more questions, yes, please contact us. We will be happy to schedule with you uh, online workshop. Yes, and you can try Intera with us with your own samples. Yes, and with your accounting softwares, and we will provide all details for you about service, about pricing. Maybe you have some individual subscription. Yes, you want to have some individual subscription for your number of pages. Yes, if you have a lot of pages, surely we will be happy to discuss all of this with you. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope it was interesting for you. Yes, and also if you have some suggestions about next webinar, please share with us. So we will be happy to know it, to provide the best service for you, and the same for functionality, because I see you have some requests about duplicated information, about some handwritten documents, so about integrations. So if you need something more, please share it with us, and it will help us to do our service better and better. Because as mentioned by me previously, it's not a it's not a of freeze. Yes, so we always do it some work, yes, to do our product better. Yes, and we have our roadmap. Yes, and each month we uh, provide the new release of product, yes, with some additional improvements. It can be major improvements, minor improvements. So, and your feedback will help us to include the new functionality in the next release of our service. So thank you so much. Yes, I see there is. Oh, okay. One more question. Sorry, I see this question. If we use a different accounting software, which is cloud-based, can Intera help with the integration? Yes, it's possible because, as I understand, you speak about some customized accounting software. Maybe this is your own development. Yes, and it's not so popular like Tally or Zoho. So we have our own API. Yes, and surely if you have your development team, yes, or maybe some system integrator who will support you, we will be happy to provide this API. Yes, and your development team will use it very easily, and surely we will be happy to support you. Yes, to provide all details about this. And we surely we provide Intera infrastructure for your testing to connect both applications. And if you need to have some work for integration from our side for your customized platform, uh, let's discuss it. Yes, please contact us, and we will be happy to discuss your use case. Okay, so I think it's time to. Okay, one more question. What is Intera website URL? Okay, it's very easy. I can share it with you. Okay, Intera Global. Yes, this is our website. You see right now, Intera Global. Yes, and you have some details about our solution in our website. Yes, and you can always contact us through our website. But if you was participants of our current webinar, please mention this information when you contact with us. It will help us to be more closely to you. Okay, to your purposes, to your topic. And also you see there is a button start free trial, so you can click on this and you will have access for Intera, yes, with 10 pages at the balance, and you can test it. But at the same time, I just would like to pay your attention. uh, if you have any questions, maybe you try to start your free trial and so on, and you have some questions, please contact our team, me, yes, or my colleagues, and we will be happy to support you. Okay, is there a facility to record debit note, credit note? We can recognize all details, and surely when we work with documents, yes, we analyze the numbers. Yes, and when we transfer the data to your accounting software, so you can see all numbers in the correct fields. And if this is the credit note, um, I think it's possible. I'm not sure that you can use it in such way right now. Yes, surely we will recognize your debit note, and we will transfer the information about this. But as I understand, you speak about the connection between initial invoice, yes, and credit note. Yes, so in such case, I think it's possible. Let's please contact us and let's discuss it your case, because to answer for this question, I need to understand all your business process. But technically, yes, it's possible. Okay, so how to treat one invoice with multiple expense accounts? Very easily. Yes, if I understand, so you mean that you have different line items, yes, and you have different and you need to use different accountants. So it's possible to work with it with Intera. You can choose in our matching menu particular accountants, or sorry, particular account or ledger for each item. No any issue with it. Surely you can do it. Okay, so I see that's all. Yes, I can see other questions. So I think it's time to finish it. So thank you so much once again for your attention. Yes, and once again, I hope it was interesting for you, and it was my pleasure to have this meeting. Yes, to have this webinar. Uh, so uh, thank you, thank you.